today's topic is sound. Let's turn on some music.
I get those goosebumps every time you come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. I get those goosebumps every time. I need that high, throw that to the side.
That loud sound just affected my ear and heart, and many more. So, I'm going to talk about more about sound. So, sound depends on vibrations and waves, right? You agree with me? And they can pass through three states of matter, which is solid, liquid, and gas. And if there's not even any matter, like nothing, that means that you can't hear anything if there's no matter. And that's called vacuum. Not that vacuum that you use to clean the floor. The floor. An example of vacuum is space. In order for sound to travel, first it needs a mechanical movement, like clapping your hands. So when you clap your hands, the molecules will start vibrating, which the vibration will jump to other molecules. And then it will go to the air, and then it can go to your ear. So I'm going to talk about the two different types of sounds. So this is high-pitched, and this is low-pitched. So high-pitched has more waves than low-pitched, you see. And this is the crest here. That means that's the highest point of a wave, and this is the trough, which is the lowest point of a wave. So frequency. Frequency is how much waves can travel in 1 second. The gap between one wave to another wave is called wavelength. So I have these two other waves, and I'm going to talk about the amplitude of this. So this has a high amplitude because the wavelength and the wave here is very high. The gap between the wavelength here, which is this line here, and the wave is, the distance is high. And here, the distance is low because the wave and the wavelength is very close. The best for the human ear is this amplitude, the low amplitude. The human ear can hear about 20 hertz and 20,000 hertz. So I'm gonna show you how pitch can change the sound. So it's starting off low, then high. Low, high. Now it's going back to low. It was high before. And yeah. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe.